Hi there, welcome to a new episode of An Ordinary Review with PJ. Today I'm going to shift the genre a bit and I'm going to review a war movie. Now we all know war movies are a spectacle by itself. They not only show us about the horrors of what happened when the war took place, but also are examples of extreme bravery, sacrifice, valor, decision making, risk taking. There are so many things to learn from a war movie. And the one that I'm going to review today happened during World War II of a true incident in 1942. So the movie is called Greyhound. It is available on Apple TV Plus. It stars Tom Hanks. And Tom Hanks has also written the screenplay for this movie. So the movie is about this incident that happened in 1942 when the supply ships of the Allied forces had to leave from US to the UK, and they had to pass the Atlantic Ocean. And during those days, the air cover was not sufficient to cover the entire journey. So there was up to a certain distance of the US coast, there will be air cover, and then when they are closer to the UK coast, there will be air cover. But there is a long bit of journey through the Atlantic Ocean where there will be no air cover. And that is the period where they will be vulnerable to the attacks by the German U-boats. And this region in Atlantic Ocean was called the Black Pit. And this movie is about a warship Greyhound along with a couple of other warships who are tasked to protect these supply ships as they cross the Atlantic Ocean and reach UK to provide supplies to the Allied forces to fight the Germans. Tom Hanks is shown as the commander of the Greyhound, and this is his first mission as he embarks to save these supply ships from the U-boat attacks. And the movie is all about what transpires in the Black Pit, how Tom Hanks maneuvers the ship to safeguard the supply ships, the losses they face, and the losses they actually do on the German U-boats. So it's a good, fascinating war movie, like any other war movie. It's fast-paced, 90 minutes, so there's no nonsense. It's full action from the beginning. The moment the warships sail, after that it's through and through action of what happens in the seas. It has good sea war scenes. A lot of battle that happens between the U-boats and the Greyhound and the other warships in the sea. In terms of acting, Tom Hanks is obviously the star of the movie. He's a first-time commander, and he does a fabulous job as always. Tom Hanks has a very high benchmark of acting, and you always never get to feel he's acting. He's very natural. What is interesting is that he's a first-time commander, so while he's maneuvering the entire battle scene and he's trying to lead the supply ships and trying to protect them, and he's giving orders to his crew members to take certain steps and actions as they are attacked by the U-boats. You get a sense that the team is not yet fully convinced about his strategy because he's a first-time commander, so they do obviously follow his orders as it happens in military. But I think at the back of their mind, their expression kind of tells whether they really trust him or not. So in a lot of ways, it's about Tom Hanks trying to earn the respect of his battalion by the actions and the commands that he's giving and the outcome of that thing. So you can get that sense. And you can also get a sense of how the soldiers are slowly but steadily beginning to believe in him. So that's an interesting aspect that is shown. In terms of the dialogues, 90% of the dialogues in the movie are all about naval commands. So there is hardly any other dialogue. I think most of the movie that you will see, it's about Tom Hanks giving naval commands to his crew members to save their ship as well as safeguard the other supply ships. In terms of the setup and all, it's very well done. I think you get a sense of how the battle is being fought. What did not work for me so much is that somehow this movie did not have your emotional connect to it. You were not emotionally invested in the war. So you never felt their pain, you never felt their joy as they were fighting this battle, which is an essential element when you watch a war movie. You need to be emotionally invested and connected to feel that, and then you feel that you have watched a good war movie. Somehow I felt that this movie did not have that kind of emotional connect, and that is what perhaps disappointed me. So I would call it a decent watch. but not an epic war movie that you really feel satisfied after having seen it. So I would say, do check it out. But as I felt, it is not something that will last with you after you've seen the movie. So the review is of the movie Greyhound, available on Apple TV Plus. Thanks for watching my reviews. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. If you do like it, please share it with your friends and family and ask them to subscribe to my channel. I look forward to bring more reviews to all of you. Keep doing whatever you're doing. Stay safe. Till next time. Bye-bye.